Since Huawei launched its own P-series flagship phone, perhaps there has never been such a controversial time as the Huawei P60 Art edition. The focus of people's controversy is of course its island-designed camera module. As Yu Chengdong said, it is difficult to accept at first glance, but after a long time, it is quite artistic. In fact, whether it is the author or the students who have only seen the pictures of phones, everyone can't accept the fresh and unique camera shape of Huawei P60 Art for a while. Think about it, the regular Huawei P60 and P60 Pro has proven its good looks, and it also proves that its design is extremely in line with the public's aesthetics. And what about art? Irregular shape, non-geometric natural curve-shaped design. If no one mentions the design of Freedom Island, people can only think of colas or other various objects. However, after observing and holding the Huawei P60 Art edition at a close distance like the author, people will find that they are wrong, and they are very wrong. This may also be the only phone in recent years whose pictures are not as good as the real one. The camera module that outlines the shape of an island through free and unrestrained lines is completely different from any current camera module, and it is not. If you look closely, you will find that the corner curves of the island-shaped camera module can just echo the four corners of the phone. The rounded lines gradually spread from the island to the whole phone like ripples in the water. Seemingly irregular, it is actually full of a harmonious sense of harmony between man and nature, full of artistic sense and personalized style. Huawei P60 Art has launched two color schemes, two versions of blue sea and quicksand gold, implying the natural form of waves passing by islands and beaches. The two color schemes are not simple color gradients or adjustments, but have been carried out either based on the material of the wave ripples or the reshaping of the light and shadow ripple texture, which finally makes the blue sea color scheme visually seen. To see the picture of the blue sea blue flowing in the hand, the visual sense of quicksand gold is similar to the texture of sunlight fixed on the shell and spreads like ripples after the sunlight penetrates, either deep and charming or warm and bright natural form, which is both beautiful and comfortable. Supplemented by the ultra-reliable Kunlun glass and the exquisite four-curved screen design, the warm and comfortable holding experience is simply lovable to the extreme. Moreover, under the author's careful observation, Huawei P60 Art is designed to have a good island shape, and the wrapping of the camera module is obviously better than that of P60 and P60 Pro. Whether it is for the protection of the camera module or the original artistic beauty, we should all approve of this design. Huawei P60 Art not only has artistic beauty, but also is excellent in material selection and hardware parameters. It adopts the design of exquisite four-curved Kunlun glass screen. The screen chooses a 6.67-inch OLED screen design with a small hole in the middle. This screen supports 1 to 120 Hz LTPO adaptive refresh rate design, supports global P3 color gamut color management, and equipped with X2 or Huawei Pro mirror display technology, and high dynamic display support for photos, videos, etc. The bright and dark scenes are excellent, and the power consumption is 29% lower than the previous one. This time, the Huawei P60 series is still focusing on imaging. The P60 Art not only has a 48-megapixel super spotting main camera that supports f1.4 f4. The Pixel supports 3.5x optical zoom periscope telephoto lens, which is currently the top f2.1 periscope camera with super large aperture. Whether it is shooting distance scenes or night scenes, it will far surpass current competitors. The shooting ability of the periscope telephoto lens, the third camera of the P60 Art, is a 40-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture, and it is also a wide-angle lens with excellent anti-distortion ability. This is mainly due to the Huawei's careful tuning and the blessing of the super concentrating XMAGE imaging system, have realized an excellent brand photo experience in scenes such as personal selfies and group photos. In terms of charging and battery life, Huawei P60 Art is also a super big cup. It has a 5100 mAh silicon carbon negative battery and is equipped with full configuration high-efficiency charging support of 88 watts wired flash charging and 50 watts wireless flash charging. The battery life and the fragmented charging ability are considered to be one of the current best. For heavy phone users, this is obviously a good thing. It also supports the highest level of IP68 dustproof and waterproof functions, so you don't have to worry about the phone being scrapped when it gets in water. As a high-quality work of the Huawei P series, Huawei P60 Art must have encountered various controversies just like us when confirming the design form. The design team still persevered to the end, and only then did the art version Huawei P60 Art created today with island shapes and free lines come out. Of course, its powerful mobile capabilities, comfortable grip experience and smarter HarmonyOS system are also one of its major features. If you choose it because of its appearance, then congratulations. What you get is a practical and artistic new category of technology. If you choose it because of its strength, then appreciate its appearance again. It is really worth having with both appearance and strength. The comment area is waiting for your opinion. Have a nice day and see you soon.